Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the amazing early AWS offers career programs for students and new entrants to the tech industry. These programs can set you up for success in cloud computing careers. First up is AWS Re/Start. This is a free 12-week training program that prepares people with little tech background for entry-level cloud roles. It's aimed at those who are unemployed, underemployed, or looking for a new career. Military veterans and their spouses can also join. Next is AWS Educate. This provides free cloud computing courses to high school and college students globally. You can learn in-demand skills and be better prepared for AWS careers. AWS Academy partners with colleges to integrate AWS into their tech curriculum, so you can get hands-on cloud experience as part of your college education. AWS University Essentials offers a free self-paced digital curriculum that covers cloud computing fundamentals. This helps university students gain skills for the real world. Then there's AWS Income training for military spouses. This trains spouses of active duty members for free so they can get certified in AWS technologies. And the newest addition is AWS Re/Start for high school students. Launched in 2022, this trains high schoolers in cloud skills and connects them with real work opportunities. Finally, AWS Career Quest is a cool 8-week virtual program that lets high school students learn by completing cloud projects. The key takeaway is that AWS offers awesome early career programs focused on training, educating, and providing experience to students and new workforce entrants. This helps prepare them for cloud computing careers. Check out the programs that fit your background and goals. I have attached the links below the comment section. I hope this will be your dream job destination. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts.